Don't start to swing your motorcycle from left to right, right to left. Otherwise, hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. So let's start the video. Coming straight to the point, if you're riding at a speed of 120-130 km per hour on a highway and suddenly any animal or any human being comes in front of you, then how you should apply your brakes to avoid any kind of accident. If this situation happens, first thing you have to do is do not panic. Yes, it's a panic situation, but try to keep your mind in a cool position. Otherwise, immediately you start to wave your motorcycle from left to right like this and right to left to avoid any type of collision. But if you do this, what will happen? The person or the animal standing in front of you will get confused more and ultimately collision will happen. Now you have to understand what type of brakes you are going to apply in this situation. First, front brake, second, rear brake, and third, the engine braking. So these three brakes are going to come into action in this situation. We all know that the front brake power is always and effective and much more than the rear brake. Okay, so what you have to do in this situation, when someone comes in front of you suddenly, immediately you have to judge a straight path in which line you have to stop your motorcycle or slow down your motorcycle, because in this full procedure, in this braking system, if you turn your handlebar little left or little right, or you are start to waving this motorcycle like this, then immediately your motorcycle will skid. So keep your handlebar straight in this type of situation. When you suddenly saw something in front of you, immediately leave your acceleration. Okay, slightly squeeze the front brake, not like pulling too tight. Squeeze means you have to pull the front brake with one finger or two finger, so that the full power of your palm does not apply on your front brake. So just squeeze gently. Forget about the clutch. Don't press the both levers like this. Don't do that. Okay, forget about the clutch. If in this situation you pull the clutch back, then immediately the engine will get disconnected from the transmission part. Okay, and immediately the acceleration will boost and things will go in totally different way. Ultimately accident will happen. So forget about the pulling of the clutch. So when you apply the front brake, what you have to do, start to downshift your motorcycle. Say you are in a 6th gear, then apply half clutch, downshift, again apply half clutch, downshift to 4, 3, 2, up to 2. Okay, why I am saying this? At that situation, at a gear of 2nd, your engine braking will be too high, so don't go to the 1st gear, otherwise whole motorcycle may got disbalance. So don't go to the 1st gear. Up to 2nd gear is okay. I'm saying to apply half clutch because again if you press the full clutch, same thing will happen. Immediately at that moment your acceleration will go too high. So don't go for the full clutch in this type of situation. Now when your speed drops to around 70-80%, start to tapping your rear brake frequently. Don't apply the rear brake too tight. Okay, otherwise your rear wheel will may get lock. I myself do this and it is very much effective. So I will advise to tapping your rear brake. So again I am briefing, in this type of scenario, first leave your acceleration, apply front brake by squeezing the front brake lever, start downshifting your motorcycle by applying half clutch, and when you dropped the speed to 80%, then apply the rear brake by tapping it. Now one suggestion: plan your riding by seeing the surrounding things, means the weather, the road condition, the traffic condition. If you see a road that full of small gravel, drop down your speed to 40-45. okay, if it's raining season, again 40-45. if you're seeing a highway with very much less traffic, then you can go above 100-120. so like this you can avoid such type of panic condition or any type of fatal accident. Thanks guys for watching. If you like this video, then do subscribe, comment, like and share this video. Thank you.